Exodus Wallet Crypto Staking Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Exodus Wallet are in the description. Exodus is a non-custodial, multi-asset wallet that offers an easy and secure way to stake cryptocurrencies while maintaining full control of your funds. Known for its sleek interface and user-friendly experience, Exodus supports over 300 assets and provides built-in staking for major proof-of-stake (POS) coins like Cardano ADA, Solana, Soel, Algorand Algo, Cosmos Atom, Tezos XTZ, and VeChain VET. One of the biggest advantages of staking with Exodus is its straightforward process. Unlike some platforms that require complex setups, Exodus allows users to stake directly from the wallet with just a few clicks. The rewards are automatically distributed, and staking APYs are competitive, varying by asset. Because Exodus is non-custodial, users retain full ownership of their private keys, meaning your funds remain in your control at all times, rather than being held by a third party. Exodus is available on desktop and mobile, offering seamless synchronization between devices. Additionally, it integrates with the Trezor hardware wallet, providing an extra layer of security for users who prefer cold storage. The wallet also features a built-in exchange, allowing users to swap cryptocurrencies instantly without leaving the app. This makes it easy to acquire staking assets without relying on external platforms. Another standout feature is Exodus Rewards, which simplifies staking management by showing real-time staking balances, expected rewards, and unstaking conditions. There are no additional staking fees, apart from standard network charges. Overall, Exodus Wallet is an excellent choice for users who want a secure, intuitive, and all-in-one staking solution. With full ownership of assets, automatic rewards, and a seamless staking process, it caters to both beginners and experienced crypto holders. If you're looking for an easy way to earn passive income through staking while keeping full control of your funds, check out the links in the description and start staking with Exodus Wallet today.